At the closing, there is basically two parts to a closing. The first part, if you are a buyer, is you will be meeting with the bank attorney and signing all of the loan documents. Generally speaking, this takes about a half an hour. You'll be signing a note, which is the bank's promise to lend you money at a certain interest rate for a certain term, and that you can prepay it traditionally without any penalties, and what might happen if you are late in your payments. You will also sign a mortgage. The mortgage is the security interest that the bank has in the property in the event that you don't pay your mortgage, in the event that you don't pay your taxes or keep insurance in place, or in the event that you don't properly maintain the house. If you don't do one or more of those things, the bank has an entitlement to either call the note due or foreclose upon the property. It's very rare, and I like to think that my clients do not get themselves into trouble with their lender, and then the mortgage is generally an irrelevant document. The third document that you'll be signing is something called a closing disclosure. That document is the complete financial snapshot of the transaction. It will identify the purchase price. It will identify credits back and forth between the buyer and the seller for things like taxes or initial deposits, or credits for repairs that need to be undertaken based upon a home inspection. It will also identify the various costs that the buyer has with their lender to complete their transaction, and with the local government as far as things like recording costs for the deed and the mortgage.